Honourable Karuhanga and the Deputy Mulodi, our principals, colleague leaders, ladies and gentlemen, I firstly will apologize for coming late. I did inform our principals that it was important for our voice to be captured as we were having the appointments committee this morning. It's very important to be on record, even when you know there are challenges. And even when our colleagues on the other end do have the numbers to eventually pass, whatever it is that is brought before us, it's important for our voice to be on record. During Tojikwatako, I see a couple of our leaders who are in Parliament, the Honourable Kyagulanyi, the Honourable Mwijuche, of course, Mama Winnie Kiza and other colleagues. They were on record. Eventually it passed as it did, but it's important that the record captures that there were people who were saying enough to say no. And that's the duty that I was attending to earlier on this morning. Colleagues, we are here because it's important for us to be here and unite around this very important cause. The people of Uganda have for a very long time gone ahead of us. Sometimes as political leaders, we might have a bit of bickering here and there. There are those challenges at different levels. But the people of Uganda have always been united around what it is that they want. They want change. They want a better country. They want to go to hospital and find medicine. They want service delivery. They want a Uganda that works for all of them. And I want to thank God that as leaders, we are listening to the rallying call of Ugandans to unite around that cause. Because that cause is important. That cause is bigger than an election. Sometimes you get entangled into the electioneering process. Joint candidate at I don't know what level and so on. The people of Uganda are interested in bigger than that. They want a better country. And as leaders, let's not stand in the way of the people of Uganda. Sometimes we can be the stumbling block. And so I want to call upon my colleague leaders. Let's be the wind beneath the wing of Ugandans who are saying we want change. And my hope for us in Parliament will keep connecting as leaders. I want to say thank you to all my colleague leaders in Parliament. We are a united front and we'll keep uniting. There might be some uncoordinated movement of troops, as you will see along the way. Those are expected. But the bigger bulk is together, because what we want is more similar than that which it is that separates us. So we look forward to a lot more engagements, and we want to finally call on the people of Uganda out there to be involved in this. You see, as leaders, we can only play a particular role, and by God's grace we shall play that role. But we call upon the people of Uganda, wherever it is that you are, please play your part, please do rise up. Again, I'll make reference to Tojikwatako. Our leaders in Parliament did play their part. They raised their voice. But as the people of Uganda, did we play our part? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. So let's not just look at the leaders and hope that they are the ones going to fix our issues. No. The leaders can only play their part. And as the leaders, we must play our part. But as we play our part, we call upon Ugandans out there, wherever you are. Whether you are elite, the elite people normally annoy Dr. Kizza, and I agree with him. Sometimes as the elite want to speak too much English, you find analysts, I call them armchair analysts, in their offices, analyzing and saying, this thing of these people getting together, no, it is non-functional, it will not work, I don't know what. They are seated in their air-conditioned offices. They have no idea what's happening around the country. So let's get together for this cause. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Anything Media.